All right, so we've called a highlight card function. So just like we've been doing for everything else, we're going to need to make sure we've created it. All right, I'm going to go down. But that was actually for just on hovered over card. We're going to make sure we have hovered off and then highlight card function. So function on hovered off. Oops. Probably want some more space for that. All right, guys, I actually am going to just go ahead and comp to this. Made a slight mistake here. Okay. So this actually needs to be off card. Everything else is true, but, and I apologize, that's why we're having so many errors. Just kind of happens to it. Alrighty. Let's just go to function hovered over card. On hovered over card. All right, and we want that to be in the card object. All right, I'm sure we're going to get some entered into here, so. All right, so we do the if and is not again. Is hovering, spelling that right, on card. So as long as it's not, because again, we have that exclamation point, we're going to have the is hovering on card set to true. We don't have to have these spaces. Like you said, it's highlighting correctly. I just prefer it for being there. And then we're going to make sure that the highlight card function that we need to make can be set to card and true. So that's this tutorial. We'll get into more and more as we go. Thank you for sticking in there and watching, everybody.